kan lo lang le don ta tun chuma chuanin pathian thu le sarmon dang kha tilavin englau tilavin ti maila I naupang children bible hi fe femte hian chhiar ve sela ka duwa aron chhiar don ni chuba ka anu youtuber ni mi min tia kan ni ve dona youtuber ka tia lo lom lutuka anu youtuber ani ini chuan kalo lang ve du tia ni chuwang chun hei ni chuan boite lo lang ve ro ka tia hei fe ma hi tuna hian pol ni azir ve to a kumriat kumsari apum to a kumriat ala pum lawani kumthara le thungil ro lem chuan bible story the tower of babel kha charo le
The Tower of Babel. After the great flood, Noah and his sons farmed the land and planted vines. They had children and their children had children soon. There were so many people that some families had to move away to find fresh grass for their animals to graze, but still they all spoke the same simple language, and everyone could understand one another. It was easy for them to plan and to work together. Some of them settled in the plains of Babylonia. They learned to make bricks and bake, then hard to make them strong. They discovered how to use fire to hold them together. Now they could really build. One day, someone said, "Let's build ourselves a city and let's make a great tower, the tallest that has ever been built. Then we'll be famous." Everyone agreed that this was good idea, and soon they were all hard at work. They began to build the Tower of Babel. They began to build the Tower of Babel. God watched them at work. He saw the walls growing higher and higher. He saw the people getting bigger and bigger ideas, and he knew that this would lead to trouble. They were beginning to think they could do anything. People were beginning to think they were gods. So God did not wait till the tower was finished. If people spoke different languages, they would not be able to understand one another. It could be more difficult to work together, so God mixed up their languages and scattered the peoples to different parts of the world, north, south, east, and there went some scattered on the coast and islands at the eastern
Sit properly
end
and loudly.
of the Mediterranean Sea. So some made their homes in Egypt and Africa. Others went to Syria and Arabia. The families descended from Noah grew into great nations, each in its own country, and every nation spoke a different language. Never again were they able to work and blend together so easily. And whenever people talked to the great Tower of Babel, they remembered how they had come to speak a Babel of different language.
Lekha khani sila tu na chan hei femtean Bible story e naupang ka aron chhiar zeu zeu mai thei ni a interest chuan tro chuan na te local te lo lang ve te lem naupang te karon ti lang zeu zeu wange ni ka channel ve tu ra hian na I khanin e nang chu ho a I khan soi te le hindi kha wan thiam e femte local le te khoi hei femte hi soi du na em soi thil soi du em kha enge kha YouTuber kha anu khai ani khai lom sia khmon hoite khomo so lam hoite ente inang ma han YouTube channel inei ve don troilen huna na nang po khai du ve tro local te lo ti lang te YouTube channel inei don tro na kina ente ka soyang nang man soila sap chungin han soila so kina YouTube khanei du sia I want to become YouTuber TV khai
I want to become YouTuber.
Chuan like and
subscribe the video or I stab you in the face.
Thiam e ke sap chung ka thiam lo em
Like and subscribe the video or
na nai te hian sap an ti ve chinang na kina
I'll kick you in the face. No. Like and subscribe the video or God will not love you.
Engi chu
비법 시베.
Bachian.
tiang tu chu thalo ka te len ni le bye bye ro le bye bye ro le
Bye. Bye. See you.
kan lo lang zia don kan ti ni chu anwam kan tia kan nun hlim na nya kan lo hlim kha ve ni chu bye bye ve kule bye bye na bye bye ro le
Bye.
cái ni chu in chei na kan ker lawa kan om mai maya chu wang chunin kan nal ve vak don lo ni chu ma se poi lo kan ti tro
Oh.
bye bye na bye bye
See you.